Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will review on Realme 100 watt soundbar. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. In this the best affordable soundbar you can buy in India right now. The soundbar is a pretty genius product concept offering many of the benefits of a full-fledged home theater system while avoiding the complications of installing a multi-speaker setup. However, soundbars can be rather expensive, often costing as much or even more than the television. People want to use them with budget soundbars to exist, but options such as the M-Mite soundbar are perhaps too basic and may not offer a scientific improvement in sound over your TV built-in speakers. There is a scientific gap here with the budget soundbar space dominated by small brands offering products that are really just large speakers. Recognizing this gap, Realme recently launched its first soundbar in India, priced at 6,999 rupees. The Realme 10 100W soundbar as the name states are rated sound output of 100 watt with a dedicated subwoofer to go with the bar is
नेट दो ना नेट है नेट
but option worth the price. Realme 1000. While there are many options, the budget soundbar segment, the Realme 100W soundbar stands out for one big reason. It has a dedicated subwoofer. It is simple and wired unit which plugs into the main bar and draws power directly from it. This means that you will have to deal with some limitation in positioning and installation. You did not need a separate power outlet for the subwoofer, as is the case with soundbars that have a wireless subwoofers. The Realme soundbar also has a higher rated power
ਇਹਦੇ
output
ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਲੈਣਾ
than
ਯੂਸੀ
what most the Realme soundbar are. No. From a distance, the Realme soundbar looks simple and but there are some elements that come across as a bit strange. The indicator lights that shine through the metal front grille of the bar speaker are rather glaring, and the colors and codes don't tell you anything worth knowing. The buttons also feel a bit flimsy and tricky. The device is available only in black for now. I had the Realme 100W with soundbar placed on a table with the subwoofer on the floor right next to it, but you do have the option to wall mount the bar using the grooves to fix it onto hooks. Installation is not included with the purchase, so this is something you will have to get done yourself. If you are placing the bar on a table, you will just have to plug the component in. The remote of Realme 100W soundbar feels a bit tacky as well, but it entirely functional. and quite useful. There are individual source buttons, audio and mood selections,